A very good morning to all of you friends.
Good morning, friends. This is stick activity.
Okay, paste it, stick activity. So as you can see, it's a very simple activity, graph and write. I was just trying this with Anaika and I found it's very interesting for kids of this age. It's not a high level graphing activity, rather it is only pasting and then find out and write from the graph. It is a dual activity. I'll just tell how to do it. So Anaika, first we will start doing.
Want to do
So what we will do is that first we will paste one shape, whichever shape you can choose.
I want this.
Okay, what is that shape name?
Oval.
Oval. Okay, so you can find out all the ovals. I will help you, and then you can paste it. Please paste it in this way so that there will be placed like this, slanting, a little bit slanting. Yeah, take the Fevicol. So here what exactly we have to tell, that we can ask the child to take any shape from here. I have just cut these shapes. I have drawn this on a piece of paper and I have cut it, and now I'm just you're telling her to pick up any shape she likes. First she picked up oval, so she will take all the oval shapes and paste it here. Then you can tell the child to take another shape like star or triangle or square
or flower or star.
Very good. So we can take any kind of shapes and we can paste it. After they paste it, this is called like a kind of graphing. They are putting it. After that, they will find and present that graph, means whatever they have like oval, how many ovals. So that they are going to write it in the below. Yeah, go on. So now she is taking the triangle. This is the second figure, like shape that she has chosen. No, not here. You have to put it straight always, okay? Up, one above the other. And we have to guide them. I always try to experiment different kind of activities with Anaika and try to find out, because sometimes maths also becomes very monotonous for the child. So we can use different ways to keep them engaged. So these are, please try this kind of activities. I feel children love this kind of pasting activities. Here they're not only pasting but also they're learning about graphing without their knowledge. Like graph is not for their age, but they can learn. We can introduce different shapes. Last year she was in nursery as I was doing the homeschooling. Now she has completed her 4 years.
LKG.
LKG. So I told, now you're grown up and you gone to LKG. So we can just
UKG now I'm going.
No, after that UKG comes. Okay. So these are the few things we can which can help the child to learn new things, different things in different manner. Please do try this. Finally, she has completed all the pasting work. She loves the pasting work, and now she is going to find out the. Yeah, just a second. She has to find out the. She has to represent the data on the questions asked. Okay. So Anaika, what is the technique you will use? Here it is oval.
Was not counted. Was this? Do like this, do like this.
With your finger, with your finger. So it is oval. Find out how many ovals are there. Yeah.
What is this? 4.
Very good. So first write. You have to write the data. How much it is? 4. So this is the method that you're going to tell your child to do. They need not count here. They're just going to take your finger across and then find out how many squares they have covered. So what is the answer? That is not, that is circle written. This is circle. No, this is triangle. Where is triangle? Triangle. Yeah, triangle. Very good. Yeah, so write it there.
Write it there.
What is the number you saw? Again, if you forgot, then again you have to go here and then find out. Very good. So in this way, it's a really very interesting activity.
I want to star.
Star. Find out. Go with your finger.
Star.
Very good. This is star. And then find out. What is this?
This is alright.
Yeah. So this is the first activity of our today's video. The second activity is also a maths activity, which is very simple and a very interesting one for the kids.
Circle.
Very good. Then next is flower. How many flowers are there?
Flowers.
Very good. And the last is, what is this? Square. So find out. Like this you will go. And then. So she has practiced a lot many activities related to this. So now she knows how to do it.
Finished.
Okay. Let's go to the next activity. So this is our second activity, which is a very simple activity on abacus. So here you can do it in any way. Like I have taken few pieces. You can see here a few pieces of paper. You can make them stick here, and or you can take the sketch pen, and with that also you can ask them to dot it. Now the first one, you have to just tell the child that when we are introducing, you have to count how many balls are there, and you have to write the number here. If they only know 2-digit numbers, then only it will be easier for them to do this kind of activities. As Anika is now learning, already has learned of 2 digits, and she is also learning 3 digits. So I'm just using this kind of activities. Okay, Anika, can you write what is the number? Can you write the number here with the sketch pen?
Number.
What the balls, according to the balls, can you write? Very good. So as you can see, it's a very simple activity for kids. And now I am going to write a number, and Anika, you are going to stick. So this is the second method that you can do. Okay. Yeah. Now you, Anika, can you stick? I'll just put a little Fevicol. You take the balls and paste. How many you are going to paste there?
No, I want to paste here.
Okay. How many you will paste here? How many you will paste? Very good.
Nothing.
One only. Not nothing. It is one only, because here the number is 1. Then here how many you will paste?
4.
Very good. So 1. Yeah. Put 4. I have put the Fevicol. You can put 4. Yeah. Count and put. So in the beginning you can make them, encourage them to do this way. They will be more interested. Once they are used to it, then you can just ask them to do with the sketch pen. Wait, I'll put a little more Fevicol. So okay, put it. Because children, if they are given only to write and do, they don't get interested. As I told in the before activity, I'm trying different activities with Anika. Okay. Now,
Dot.
yeah. Now you can dot it. Okay. Now just wait. 50.
I want to
Yeah. Now dot it.
Mama.
Yeah. Dot it. So these are few sums I have given. Do it properly. Proper.
2.
Very good.
3.
Yeah.
4. 5.
Very good. And this, always dot from the left hand side. Okay. Sorry, right hand side. Okay. From your right hand side. Yeah.
1, 2, 3.
Very good. So as you can see, it's nothing difficult for the kids who are of age 4 years or above. Very easy. Anika, can you do this all quickly with your sketch pen? Take your sketch pen and do all this. Yeah. As she has already done it, so she will do it very fast. Which side you have to dot first? I told you always from your right hand side. This number you have to do first. Okay, do.
I want to do this.
Okay, but you should do this side. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. So these are the two activities I wanted to share with you all. Please do try these activities if your child is above 4 years or 3.8 years of age, because I had also started with Anika very long back, and it's very interesting, and she's enjoying doing this kind of activities.